The most common reasons your 2013 Ford F-150's alarm keeps activating are a faulty door ajar sensor, a malfunctioning hood latch, a low-key fob battery, or a weak vehicle battery. The truck's body control module, BCM, monitors these sensors. When a door ajar sensor gets dirty, corroded, or misaligned, it sends false signals. Similarly, a worn hood latch can trigger the alarm. A low-key fob battery or weak vehicle battery can also cause the alarm to go off. These are common issues in the 2011-2014 F-150 models, and Ford issued Service Bulletin TSB 14-0168 for door ajar switch failures. Recent software updates to Ford's sync system include diagnostics accessible via the Ford Pass app, allowing you to remotely reset sensors. Start by inspecting these components. Start by cleaning the door ajar sensors with WD-40 or a similar lubricant to remove dirt and corrosion that can cause false alarms. For the hood latch, check that it's properly aligned and not damaged. Clean the plunger switch to ensure it detects when the hood is closed correctly. Replace the key fob battery, as a low battery can cause weak signals and erratic alarm behavior. Check your vehicle's battery voltage using a multimeter. It should be above 12.6 volts to prevent false sensor readings. Try resetting the body control module by disconnecting the battery for 10 minutes to clear any stored error states. If these steps don't work, use an OBD2 scanner to check for specific error codes that can pinpoint the exact issue. Many owners succeed with these DIY methods, but for persistent problems, seek professional help or consider aftermarket alarm solutions.